Hello, today I'm reviewing these two Wicker Ottomans. This is our outdoor furniture and they also could be great as your seat or as a footrest. I also love that they match our outdoor sofa as far as the Wicker going on. The cushions, the color of them is a little bit different than our sofa, but it's actually matching very well because it's in a dark navy blue. And it's not just seats, guys. This is actually a storage place. So you can put all kinds of stuff here. You can put blankets, pillows, shoes, all kinds of essentials and necessity you need outdoor, but you kind of wish to hide. And if be honest with you, I have been in love with this ottoman since the moment we got it. Because when we have a lot of friends over or family, it's just, our sofa and our gathering place outside becomes so cozy and nice. Another big struggle, I know you would probably want to ask me about assembly. And I would say that assembly was actually very easy. We spent around, I'd say, 30 to 40 minutes all together to put it together, and it didn't was hard at all. And another good point too, when all of these feet came in, they all was protected and they were in a blue film. And it also comes with an instruction as we have right here. And I will also turn my camera around right now and show you that all of the pieces was labeled and how it was when we started to putting it together. Here's a closer look at the seat. First, check out these cushions. It's securely attached on both sides, so it won't shift around while you're using it. It also has a smooth zipper, which makes it super easy to remove the cover if anything accidentally spills. You can just zip it off and wash. It's so practical for outdoor use. Now, let's take a peek inside. Each piece is clearly labeled with numbers, which made assembly really easy. It also comes with detailed instruction manual, so the whole setup process was a breeze. And also look at the space inside. I'm showing you here with my hand. And you can fit so much in there, whether it's outdoor cushions, shoes, toys, or even dog accessories. It's such a smart storage solution. Down here, you also notice the legs. They have a sleek and modern look, but they're very sturdy. That's thanks to the heavy-duty metal frame that supports up to 350 pounds. It's very solid without being bulky. And also, as I close the lid, check this out. The cushion actually stays attached. It's held in place with two buttons and little elastic hooks on the sides. They're super easy to secure and just as easy to unhook when you want to remove and wash the cover. And of course, you can use this as a comfortable seat, footrest, or even a side table when the cushions are off. It's such a versatile little piece. Overall, I really love these ottomans. And if you're in the market for extra storage space or just extra outdoor space, outdoor seating space for yourself, your family, this could be a great addition. I love it and I highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching.